Interested in the latest developments for designing your virtual ECU? Don't miss the top 5 new features of vVIRTUALtarget. My name is Tanja and I am the product manager for vVIRTUALtarget. In this video, I'll show you my favorite highlights of the latest vVIRTUALtarget version 10. So let's get started. Deriving a level 3 virtual ECU with just 2 commands sounds like a dream? vVIRTUALtarget 10 makes it happen. Given that you already have a real target configuration for your microSAR ECU, our command line tool, vecu-derive, automatically derives the configuration for the virtual ECU. You just need to add your source files to the generated VTT makefile and let the command line version of vVIRTUALtarget build the virtual ECU. You might ask yourself if you have the possibility to adjust some of the automatically derived parameters. Definitely. Just use our text-based post-configuration feature. Do you want to use a free compiler to build your virtual ECU? vVIRTUALtarget 10 now additionally supports MinGW for building your vECU for a 64-bit target platform. I will show you how to adjust the setting in the graphical user interface. Switch the target platform to Windows x64. Make sure to use CMake to define your virtual ECU and simply select MinGW x64 as generator. Our help guides you through the compiler installation. Of course, you can also use MinGW in VTT makefiles. If you are working on Linux, you can use Clang as a free compiler. As the size of vECUs grows, 64-bit builds of vECUs are our clear recommendation. It is also possible to deviate the bitness of the virtual ECU from the real target. The LS bus standard has been extended by Ethernet. FMUs exported with vVIRTUALtarget 10 now also allow communication on Ethernet channels. CAN communication and the usage of LS-XCP is of course still possible for level 3 FMUs. Level 1 FMUs now also contain client-server interfaces and means to calibrate the virtual ECU. Note that not all importers are capable of using the FMI3 triggered clocks yet, which is needed for our feature. Make sure to always use our newest service pack as we are continuously improving compatibility with different FMI3 importers. You probably already know that you just need to check the option Export Functional Mockup Unit at the Build tab to receive the FMU. Ever wondered why your ECU is not running as fast as you expected it to be? To identify performance bottlenecks, every virtual ECU now contains a set of performance indicators. You can just enable them in your favorite simulation tool Canoe and start with your analysis. If you don't use Canoe as a simulation tool yet, start SIL testing with the new Simulation and Virtualization Bundle. Our bundle includes Canoe for software and vVIRTUALtarget at an appealing price. Get a quote today. Not only our major versions contain empowering features. Check out the features we released with the service packs of vVIRTUALtarget 9 too. Now level 1 vECUs can be completely generated on Linux and the calibration possibilities in your CI toolchain are extended. Our goal is to simplify the virtualization of your ECU. We are constantly developing new features to help you develop and test your virtualized AUTOSAR project. Feel free to contact us to let us know what features you need or if you maybe would like a deep dive session regarding a particular one. Thank you for watching. Stay up to date on new features and get insights into vVIRTUALtarget and other Vector products. Just subscribe to our Vector Tech tutorial channel and hit the bell.